You asked how to buy shares of Artesian Resources Corporation. Artesian Resources is a U.S. water and wastewater utility listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ARTNA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy ARTNA, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to your balance. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ARTNA to find the listing. Select the matching Artesian Resources Corporation entry to open its trading page. On the asset page, review basic company details, and the price chart to confirm it is Artesian Resources Corporation. Check the NASDAQ listing and the ARTNA ticker to be sure it is the correct stock. To place an order, choose Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as a pending market order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once completed, your ARTNA position will appear in your portfolio. For the exact link and resources, check the description below.